So I'm here with Tisha and Jeremy Cochran. They're from Mississippi. They just finished the 3-day Certified Detailer Licensee Training Program. You guys did a fantastic job because the car that you had was a disaster. It came out of a dumpster, and now it's going on the showroom floor at Choice Auto Sales. So they're going to love it. So what do you guys think of yesterday, Saturday? Yesterday was the wash up, the paint correction, and the ceramic coating training application. What do you guys think of it?
A lot of work. Wasn't expecting the physicality of it going into it. I didn't know it was quite that hard. And you told us because the paint on that car was so bad, we really had to put the elbow grease into it.
And you did. Looks amazing.
I didn't think we were going to get it to look like that. I really did.
Yeah, you guys increased the value of that probably by about $2,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you think, Tish?
It's a lot more than I thought it was going to be, so that's good. I needed to know. I needed hands-on because just talking to somebody or watching it, I don't do well with that, or reading about it. So
Me neither. Yeah, I do better with the hands-on.
Yeah.
What do you guys think of the ceramic coating?
it's
Really made
phenomenal.
an
It's
unbelievable
phenomenal.
difference.
It really is. And if it does this for this kind of car and this kind of paint, there's no telling what we can do with new cars
Exactly.
or damaged cars, not one that was really damaged like this one. So.
Yep. And I love the name, you guys. It's simple. You guys are going to be remembered by everybody. It's called the Detail Shop. And what's the name of your town?
Hurley.
Hurley.
Yep.
That's awesome. So today was the interior detailing day for most of the day. We did some headlight restoration too. What do you think of the interior cleaning and detailing and coating?
I knew a little bit about it because I've worked with it before, but
Sure.
it showed me a lot of ways that were a lot easier and
Sure.
stuff that I didn't know. So
You were able to use all the professional equipment, the extractor, the vapor steamer, the tornador.
going an extra mile, but that we could do. So.
Definitely be a moneymaker for you.
Yeah. So when I got here, I had no idea what you were even talking about. I didn't know the names of the
Right.
machines, the products, or anything.
Right.
Now I know how to use them. So.
Excellent. What do you think of our senior trainer over there, Pierce Turner?
He's phenomenal. He really is. I can't
He
believe
is.
that a 19-year-old brain can absorb that and know that much.
It's really unbelievable.
Like I'm talking to
Yeah.
an older
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
So I'm very
Yeah.
proud of you.
Yeah, he
I
did
know
a-
your mom and dad are too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can tell he's intelligent because
Yeah.
you ask him about a
Well,
product, he can name the
Oh, I
ingredient.
don't know if I'd go that far, but no, he's one of the sharpest younger.
Sharp.
You've done a really good job
Yep.
with him. So,
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, he's a great student to mentor.
Well, I'm hoping we know as much as he does.
Yeah, you will.
So,
You will. He'll give you his phone number, so you guys can call him. Okay, you can call me too. Obviously, he can help you with Facebook ads.
Right.
But so overall, how many stars would you give us?
Oh, you're 5-star.
5-star.
all day long.
That's awesome. You guys are 5-star students too.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.